how can we view our Python data using Excel immediately? And by saying immediately, I mean we don't want, for example, to save or export our file and then go to the corresponding folder and then open the file. No, we don't want to do that. We want to see our data immediately without saving, without exporting or something. So first of all, let's create some data using, for example, NumPy arrays. So I simply type import NumPy as NP, and actually I'm importing NumPy with this alias name as NP. I mean, we are considering an abbreviation for this package because we don't want to use the full name, but we want to use it as NP, I mean, with an abbreviation. Anyway, then we simply type np.random because this NumPy package has a section called random, which is used for dealing with random stuff. And then from this random section, we want to use a function which is called randint. I mean, random integer number, because you want to generate some random integer numbers. And for example, we should specify the range, for example, 1 all the way up to 99. And remember that when you type randint and when you pass 1 and 100, those numbers that it is going to generate will be between 1 all the way up to 99 and not 100, because this second value is exclusive. By saying exclusive, I mean it is not going to consider this value itself. So the random values are going to be from 1 all the way up to 99. And we want to create, for example, 10,000 of these random numbers. So 1 all the way up to 99, and the size, I mean the number of numbers should be 10,000. And then I want to store this, and before storing that into a variable, let's reshape, I mean change the shape of this whole thing, because so far we are creating something that has 10,000 numbers, but we want to convert that into a, for example, kind of matrix like rows and columns. So let's do that. I want to have 100 rows and 100 columns. And after that, I want to store that in a variable named x. So if I print x and if I run the code, you can see this is our array, but we want to see that using Excel. So let's do that. So I want to clear the terminal. Let's go to here and simply I type, okay, for doing so, I want to use another package called xlwings, because it's the wings for Excel. It is going to give some wings to Excel and it is going to make it better. So that's why it is called xlwings. So we want to say, okay, xlwings, we are calling that package. We say, hey, xlwings. It says, yeah. And then we say, okay, we want to view our data. And we should pass the data that we want to view. And that data is X. So now if I run the code, you can see it immediately opens an Excel file. And there you go. As you can see, it has 100 rows and 100 columns. So that's your data that you can see in Excel. And you can close it and you don't need to save it. So actually you're viewing that data using xlwings. The next thing that we want to do is to read an Excel file, and then we want to show it immediately using Python. And we don't want to save or export that. I mean, yeah, one of the ways is to export our data and save our data and go to the corresponding folder and open that specific file. But we don't want to do that. We want to open that file immediately and without any exporting or something. So let's see that. So here's our file. And in order to read this file, we need to use the pandas package. So I import pandas as pd. And then I simply type pd.readExcel because I want to read an Excel file. And I need to pass this path to this function. And maybe you ask, oh, why are you passing this R before this string, before the name of this file, before the path of this file? Because if you don't pass this thing, it is going to consider all of these things. For example, it is going to consider the role of \t, because in Python, when you are using \t in strings, it means tab. It means you are telling Python to insert a tab. Or for example, \n means going to new line. And you don't want that. You want to consider this text, this path, as a raw text. So that's why you're passing R before this string. You're telling Python, hey, Python, we want the raw text. We don't want to consider, for example, \t as tab or \n as new line or these kinds of things. So that's why you're passing R, which means raw text, means consider this as it is. And after that, I want to store the data frame, the thing that we're going to create, and we want to name it df. That's it. And then I simply type, okay, I want to view this whole thing using xlwings. So in order to do so, I want to import xlwings. So I want to import xlwings as, for example, xw, and then I simply type xw.view, and I want to view our df. So now if I run the code, you can see, there you go, this is our data. And as you can see, it is going to convert that to a table by default. And if you don't want that, it's so simple. Here, let's close this. Here, you can simply type another thing. We can pass another thing. We can simply type table equals to false. It means no, do not consider that as a table. So now if I run the code again, you can see now we don't have that data as a table.